Alright, here it is. We got the new alternator in. Yep. $199. Woo. With core. It's like 140 something with tax, but we're gonna bring this back. It's 30 bucks back. Alright, let's get it swapped out. Y'all can see it's 150 amp, 12 volt. Max 175. Set point 14.52. Almost 15 volts. Alright, alternator on. That belt, boy, new belt's tough, buddy. Now we can do a test fire. She's up and running, y'all. Don't worry, pull key, wait 10 seconds. I got the LMC5, I got to put on here yet, so I'm not really worried about that. I'll give y'all a word of advice. If your alternator is not putting out the right amount of charge, I promise you, it will cause all kinds of check engine lights, everything. No matter, it's a brand new battery. And when that alternator was going out, when I'm telling you it had traction control, it had every light in the car going off. Just because this wasn't charging at optimal. You know, so y'all do a good check on that and y'all can see what it's supposed to read. You know, it's 14. I'll peel this off. I'll show you. Look. This is your alternator for the Corvette. So y'all need some advice. It's supposed to set point 14.52. Yeah, because she's running beautiful now. No more oil leak. Water pump. Let it warm up and check all the fluids. And put the tires on and get her off the stand. Finally. Check it out. Suspension, got it all connected back up. We're about to steam clean the engine bay. We're going to start on the interior. Pulling it out, seats out, everything out, carpet out, all of it. Got some sound deadener, head unit to put in, and sound system to put in. Oh yeah, runs beautiful. And this top, I'm going to try to fix this. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. It's in pretty bad shape. But anyway, we'll get that. Get some new emblems. I'll be back in her prime soon. And all this cleaned up, but she's standing pretty good. Sammy, what you think? Huh? You go? Check it out. Look on the inside, see if you tell me what you think. Did you see that? I know it stinks. I know. We're gonna get it clean. You can check it out. Your approval. I get the Samster approval. Alright, go ahead. Alright, y'all, check this before and after out. See how bad it is. That's what I'm using. Which I've used that on my car a few times, so y'all know this. Alright, start on the interior. I got two back pieces all steamed. I don't have that one, it's not done yet in this, and I'll show you all the difference. I don't know what color that's going to be, but you can see pretty bad shape. We'll get all this cleaned up and steamed and move slowly to the front, and then we'll get all the wiring and stuff. The cow, the difference in what it used to look like, yeah, looks brand new now. Crazy. Yeah.